Oh, they don't pop up. Every time I don't, they pop up. 5 times. Here we go. We're going to randomize Man U first. Are the prizes for which one? Oh, the giveaway? No, it'll just be given away to somebody in the break. Two people in the break will win a second spot. Well, or a third. They'll win an additional spot. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck to all. Let's do this thing. We're removing Man U because they can't win themselves. I just know for a fact. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Newcastle. 5 times the Nukes on top. Let's find out who's got Newcastle in this one. Kent Yogasawa. Plus Man U. All right. Is that it in front of me? Yes, I did bring it over. Fresh case. All right, here we go. Good luck. Now I'm expecting there. Oh, big thick boy. We love the big thick boys. Oh, that. Wow, that actually smells awful. Oh, what the hell? Up first for Brentford to 32. It's shout-outs to Rico Henry. Shout-outs to Rico Henry. 20 of 32. Big, thick metal boy. Back soon. Okay. Jeez, Bailey's a mess. Bailey's just thinking about how much tits and ass he doesn't see. Disappointing. Up first to just 20, Martin Odegaard for Arsenal. To 35, Kevin De Bruyne. Sorry, 55. 36 or 55. Watch there not be a Man U card. Oh. John McGinn to 99 for Aston Villa. Listen. Sometimes it's a safe bet. Impeccable. Oops. Redemption as well. To 25 for Man U, Scott McTominay. Big saucy. Redemption, we're going to quick reveal. It's Indelible Ink Silver, Andrei Shevchenko. That's nice. For Crystal Palace to 99, it is Christian Benteke. Put in the Chris in Crystal Palace. Oh, man, that rules. For Man City, it is Ederson. 1 of 31. Impeccable numbers. Incredible stuff. Congratulations, Kent. Kent went hard at this, and it has paid off big time. Chrome comes out end of the year, I believe. And then Indelible Ink to 99 for Arsenal, who've done very well. It is Mark Overmars. And that is a fantastic little break there of Impeccable 11982. Some really nice stuff.